If you have some leftover Roblox gift card credit and it's not enough to buy a Robux package or a premium membership, you can still turn that remaining credit into Robux. First, log into the Roblox account where you redeemed the gift card by going to roblox.com/redeem. Once you're logged in, look just under the redeem button and you should see an option that says get Robux or convert credit to Robux. The exact button you see depends on how much credit you have left. Click that option and a confirmation screen will appear. From there, choose buy or convert to Robux to finish the conversion, or cancel if you change your mind. After that, simply refresh the page or move to another page and your Robux balance will update. Keep in mind that if you actually have enough credit to buy a Robux package or a premium membership, you won't see the convert credit to Robux button at all. Instead, you'll see options like Get Robux or Get Premium, and Roblox will automatically select the largest package you can afford with your current credit. If you want a different Robux package, you can also go directly to the Buy Robux page and choose the one you prefer.